Unlock the true power of your Kajabi sales funnel by mastering purchase event tracking. In this quick tutorial, we're diving deep into accurately tracking those all-important purchase events in Kajabi, so you can truly understand what's working in your marketing. First up, let's ensure your tracking pixels are correctly installed. Log into your Kajabi account and navigate to your website settings. Look for the Analytics or Integration section. Here, you'll find fields to paste your conversion tracking pixels. This typically includes your Facebook pixel, your Google Analytics tracking code, and any other marketing platform pixels you use. Make sure these are entered accurately in the designated areas. Now, let's configure Kajabi itself. To trigger these events, go to your product settings, and specifically to the checkout page configuration. You'll want to ensure that Kajabi is set up to fire your tracking events on successful purchases. This usually involves checking a box or selecting an option that confirms firing scripts or pixels upon completion of a sale. Kajabi is quite intuitive here, so look for options related to conversion tracking or pixel firing on the checkout confirmation. Once set up, it's crucial to monitor your data. Compare your Kajabi sales reports with your analytics platforms. You should see a clear correlation between claimed sales in Kajabi and the purchase events recorded in Google Analytics or Facebook Ads Manager. Consistently monitoring these purchase events is your secret weapon. It allows you to see which marketing campaigns are directly driving sales, identify bottlenecks in your funnel, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your advertising spend and improve your overall business performance. Mastering purchase event tracking in Kajabi is the key to unlocking sustainable growth and making every marketing dollar count.